Top 6 Low-Maintenance Countertops. Your countertops endure all sorts of damage. From your teenagers leaving a flat iron on the bathroom counter to you scratching the kitchen counter when you forget to use a cutting board. If you haven't gone through a home renovation before, you may not realize there are several choices for low-maintenance countertops that can endure heat and spills without getting damaged. If you want to update your kitchen but can't decide which type of countertop installation is best for your needs, Northwest Stone Fabricators in Redmond, WA, is here with all the answers. 1. Stay within budget with laminate countertops. Beyond the installation cost, you never have to worry about expensive sealing or yearly refinishing like with other materials, making it a great choice if you don't have the budget for regular remodeling projects. 2. Add pizzazz with eco-friendly, recycled glass. Multicolored pieces of glass covered in resin or acrylic create a confetti-like effect to delight homeowners who enjoy unique styles. 3. The industrial look of stainless steel. It can handle any amount of heat, chemicals, and water exposure. Stainless steel requires no special effort when it comes to cleaning. 4. Shine bright with zinc. If you or a loved one lives with a compromised immune system, you know how important it is to take every possible precaution to stay healthy, and zinc countertops are one way to avoid bacterial growth, especially around food. 5. Beautiful, durable quartz. Quartz is an even better choice for a durable, high-end look. It costs more per square foot than other materials, like laminate or stainless steel, but the benefits outweigh the cost. 6. Renovate like a celebrity with lava stone. Because of the name, you may think the only color choice for lava stone is black, but that couldn't be further from the truth. You can choose a bold color or a more subdued hue to match your decor. Investing in low-maintenance countertops means you will have more time to spend with friends and family. Less frequent repair means you will have more money left in your wallet. Northwest Stone Fabricators in Redmond, WA, fabricates only high-quality, non-porous countertops in the Pacific Northwest. We have been in business for almost 20 years and can't wait to leverage our experience to design your new kitchen.